It's all the same sound in my ears.